Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Ethereum from your Tangem wallet to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even more secure and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner looking to cash out or an experienced trader managing your assets, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring ETH like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device. By 2025, updates might include enhanced biometric security, so double-check for any new features. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Ethereum holdings. You'll see a clear dashboard showing your balance. It's all about simplicity here. Next, select the Send or Transfer option. This is usually found by tapping on your ETH balance. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. For Gemini, head over to their website or app to find your deposit address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, specify the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Remember, factor in any network fees, which in 2025 might be lower thanks to advancements like Ethereum 3.0. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction with your wallet's security measures, like a PIN or Face ID. Once you've hit send, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. You can track it using tools like Etherscan. And just like that, your ETH should appear in your Gemini account. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution: always use secure networks and keep your private keys safe. Crypto isn't without risks, so stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.